Hi gorgeous people, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. How are you all doing today? Good morning, good day, good evening. In whatever part of the world you are watching me from, I say hi to you. In today's video, I'll be talking in broken. At the same time, I'll be talking in English language because I want my viewers to be able to understand me. Okay, I want us to dive into this very beautiful topic. It's a topic that I just want us to elaborate on it a little bit, guys. You all know that some of us folks, we leave Africa all the way from Africa and come to the diaspora, especially let me be like Europe or America or even Dubai. All right, yes, okay, yeah, there was this video I watched, and when I watched that video, I was like, the video actually got me thinking. After that, I was like, let me just talk a little bit about this very particular issue. I saw a video whereby some guys, they come, I know this video, I know if you talking for English, you can't have to say these guys, my people, they can't carry, some kind of things there for hand. They want to fight some kind of way. Where these people, they leave their country for greener pasture. They leave their country, say, may they go better their life, my people. But the moment when they leave their country, they can't forget what it make them. They comot their country, my people. I see guys, them people. As I watch that video, I say that video where I not go fit show now, but I go fit talk about a little bit of that video. Where they fight, they carry things there for hand, where they want to fight. But as I see and so, I say these people, they want to leave their home where they be get ambitions, where they be get plan, where they be get dream, where they be get hope, where they be really they be get a lot of things for their mind, But now, for some reason, they can't forget, my people. They can't forget what it make them come on house. Imagine, my people, person come on house, you say that for better your life. Now what it go actually happen? We go make calm, you go forget say this place where you dey go so, or this place where you dey so, na place where anything where you do, you go end up for inside jail, you go end up for prison, and you go there in some country. So if you remain there forever, if you are not careful, some place and day you feel just there for a short time. But even if you did there for a short time or you there forever, nobody not deserve to be inside that place. Now me they talk it not good. It not good because a lot of things to take care of, a lot of things to handle. There is no need for when they fight, for when they join group, for when they fight. It not good. It not they pay. It not they pay at all. Because if you get the highest physical strength like this, but you don't know what if it happen within 1 second. Suppose if you just remove your ear, suppose if you even bust your eye, suppose if you don't feel know what if it happen. And the moment those things that go happen, that time your eye go come clear. You can say why I do it. Now I don't see people that deal with that because of fight. They don't lose so many parts of their body, my people. So I see that very video. As I see him, I realize that video I no go fit show now. I said, Betty, go good, make I talk about her. Then I can't see another one. This one where they even talk, so this one happened for Dubai. Then I can't see another one again. This one for Italy. When person they talk, they send a message to the people the way I don't know the kind of fight whether they fight, my people. What it go actually make us go leave our country. We will get family for home with their loved ones. And we'll get some of us, we even get children. Say, we see get mama, we get papa, we get siblings. Them we go come forget about them. We come stay in a fight. We want to fight for diaspora, for different land, my people. I beg, if you they watch me now, so and they do that kind of thing, or your friend even call you say, you too fear, better fear. Things the way you get to fear, things the day where you not go fear. And some things that they they even fear and fear. You just want to behave yourself. You want to behave yourself because you you love yourself. You wan behave yourself because you respect your family, you respect your background. You wan behave yourself because you get children wey dey look up to you. You even get friends the way that they see you like a role model. You get people wey they look up to you wey you don't want to bring shame to them. So many reasons them why we know they do things them. Because I know some people go tell you say no over care wetin people go talk. That talk na talk for you for be strong. Not be talk for, not be some better talk that too. Not be some better talk that, my people. As I watch that video, so just the kind big this thing with the people their hand. I know you want call them for here. When I know how this place they know. So kind thing and they enough even mention my people. This yourself the thing pass me. It's strong. Eh? You just forget what it make you come on home. Come they fight for different land. Even for inside your land self, it must still be advisable. Fight no they pay. You know how many people they inside prison when they find way to even come out, maybe when they even see the light of day, maybe they even feel free, maybe they just get that freedom. Many of them they inside that jail. They no fit come out because it don't happen. They don't do the wrong thing, my people. I beg, if you get friend when they encourage you, make you they do wetin not be right. I beg, that friend not be your friend. When you go tell you say you self you dey too fear, you dey fear wetin? Yes, use your brain, use your common sense. Where e come on way sometimes, but it hard to know say e dey there. Use that common sense where you not common. Where you just there around there. Advise yourself, even if you not get nobody to advise you. Love yourself enough because nobody no go love you the way you love yourself. Because I see that video, I don't even know where to start. I see that video, I say, wow, human being they really dey like this, where they go come up for their own land, for their own place, for when they do this kind of thing. But people, that matter strong, oh. That matter strong. It's strong. But people, I don't even know how I want to really explain this thing, but now the fact now it be this so. With me, I don't tell una so. Because as I see them, it don't please me at all. It don't make me happy. Because now people, their children be that. And what did they really happen? People will come on your country. Don't come out of that my land. Come they fight unnecessarily. It's not good, my people. It's not good. Anyway, me, I just say make I talk and small. I just say because at the end of the day, una know say me I love una well. As I talk, latest gist go dey pop up, my people. Different kind of video go dey come up. Don't be surprised. So if you see some kind different kind of video, I just want me to share them. I just want me you love them. I just want me you support me. Yes, so I don't say I don't say where this babe, where this girl. Come on, where this babe, where this girl. My people, I miss una plenty, but una comment, they give me strength, they keep me going, my people. Now una be number one, Truth must be told. Una mean a lot to me. Make una they always share my video. If you never subscribe and you don't they watch me for a long time, I don't they bring you smile, I don't they bring you joy, I don't they brighten your day. I say, and you never see subscribe. Wait till they wait for subscribe to your babe, subscribe to your girl. That girl you like her, that girl when you see and so you'll say this girl, na my person. I like your video. Subscribe to her, share your video so that others go see them. Yes, because at the end of the day, we they promote what we love. When you love something, you go promote some, you go support some. Yes, when I go see another type of video where I go do, my people. They try all things, so I go. I need to entertain you now. I need to entertain you now. More video, go they come up, my people. More video, go they pop, go they pop. When I say, when I go say, what did they holla, what did they happen? Yes, so I want to talk that Nigerian pidgin, that Niger pidgin. Not be so. I love this my broken. Can't they sweet me? But if you don't enjoy my video now for broken, one could not tell me. If you not enjoy the lango, not tell me. Yes, so yeah, now for entertainment, education. Yeah, now for about togetherness. Yeah, now about education. Yeah, now about every good thing. We talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly. Yes, now here it dey happen 247. It dey happen every year. I see you now for my next episode. I love una plenty. I love una well. Bye bye.